This is Pam from NortheastWalesEvents.com at the 2015 Draggin Wagons show, May 3rd, 2015. We're just going to do a quick walkthrough here.
The car show, but you can buy 50/50 tickets up at the tent there where it says registration and membership.
It's a very warm day.
If you're interested in being part of the Draggin Wagons Car Club, we welcome new members. You can join here today, and we will welcome you to be part of the club.
Buick Skylark back there. You'll see that in the photos.
Non-profit organization for the raising of funds to be able to give to the needy in the Tri-County area, Berks, Chester, and Lancaster County. We feel really good as a club to be able to help many people throughout the Tri-County area.
Two very unique vehicles here.
The funds we raise here at the car show.
There's a Fleetwood. Here's an Imperial. I'll find out the story on that. You'll see that elsewhere. Nice CUDA. Vets. Oh, sorry, I'm going too fast for you. I'll slow down, okay. Interesting LaSalle. I know you start hearing the theme song. Giaro LaSalle ran grave. I like this show because it really has variation. Any show which really runs the gamut. Draggin Wagons, good group of people. There's a big cruiser, 455 drop top. Thank you. Beautiful truck. A number of trucks have come out today. Of course, pretty Chevy. Early Mustang. That's got a 260. Very early. There's the competition, a little box. Nice Plymouth coupe.
Yeah.
Lots of Tri-5s.
Taking video, good for you.
Yes. I'll be on the website too.
Yeah.
That's what's really great. People love this.
I have friends that do the ride to and from car shows.
Oh yeah?
They put the camera on the dashboard and they have a little mount there, you know.